Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: panel voltage, connector types, and a compatible charge controller. Plug the panel into a multimeter to verify open circuit voltage. This ensures you have correct wiring before load. Once done, mount the panel solidly, aiming for the sun's path and avoiding shadows. Make sure to install a correctly rated inline fuse on the positive lead to protect equipment. You're now ready to make the first electrical connections safely and knowingly. Now you wire the Thunderbolt panel to the MPPT or charge controller. Follow polarity and match voltage ranges to avoid damage. Tighten terminals to spec, then configure the controller for your battery chemistry and voltage set points so charging is efficient and safe. Use appropriate gauge wire to limit voltage drop and secure strain relief to prevent connector stress from wind or movement. Once configured, observe current and voltage on the controller to confirm power flow and stable operation. Finish by validating the system. Monitor charge current, battery voltage trend, and controller status for at least one sun cycle so you confirm expected performance. Once satisfied, weatherproof all connectors, finalize panel mounting, and record controller settings for future reference. If things go wrong, check the simple items first: fuses, correct polarity, and panel open circuit voltage with a multimeter, because wiring or blown fuses are the most common causes of no output. Replace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.